Times now expose in Mahabalipuram, where we found allegations of pedophile racket running under the grab of orphanages. Our reporters in fact travelled to ancient temple town to find several unauthorized orphanages functioning. Locals told your channel that many of these children's homes provide helpless orphans to foreign tourists. What's even more shocking is that these so-called orphanages open during the tourist season and then shut shop. While there are generally about a dozen orphanages in the area, the number more than doubles when the tourists visit. This is a fact known to the locals, who candidly admit to the scandal on hidden camera.
International channel good documentary.
So have you heard about such orphanages? What have you heard? What is he saying?
Some foreigners are misusing the children. Foreigners, they are coming and buying the children to misuse. Kind of they are giving physical torture. Very bad.
அதனால அவரு ஒண்ணுமே பிரயோஜனம் இல்லாத வேஸ்ட். நீங்க வந்து யாரு கேட்டாலும் கரெக்டான மனுஷன் யாரும் நல்லவங்க சொல்ல மாட்டாங்க, நல்ல செய்யறான்னு சொல்ல மாட்டாங்க. மக்காளி பத்தி நல்ல நிர்வாகிகள்